Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your Sarita ma'am. Today, in General Awareness, we will learn about a new topic, that is vehicles on land. Now, there are three types of vehicles. One that moves on land, second that moves in the air, and the third one that moves in water. Today we will learn about the vehicles that moves on land. Now what does land means? Land means जमीन. जो vehicles जमीन पे चलते हैं उसे हम land vehicles कहते हैं. Now let us learn about the vehicles on land with the help of some pictures from our workbook. Now, let us learn about vehicles on land with the help of some pictures. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a van and it is of white color, right? But the van that is used in school, जो आपका school van है, वो कौन से color का होता है? It is of yellow color, right? Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a tractor and tractors are mostly used in fields. Tractors का ज़्यादातर use कहाँ होता है? खेतों में. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a jeep and this is bike. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a taxi and this is a car. Now what is the difference between taxi and a car? दोनों दिखने में एक जैसे होते हैं, सो दोनों में अंतर क्या है? Taxis are the vehicle that we hire to go from one place to another and car is a personal vehicle. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a bus, right? And bus is a public transport जिसमें काफी सारे लोग एक साथ बैठ के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a truck and trucks are used to load things and take it from one place to another. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is an auto rickshaw. Now tell me, which vehicle is this? This is a bicycle, right? And every one of you likes to ride on bicycle, है ना? आप सबको bicycle चलाना पसंद है ना? Yes. And which vehicle is this? This is a scooter. Let us learn about some more vehicles on land with the help of some real looking toys. This is a train. This is a tanker. Tankers are used at war sites. This is a crane. Cranes are used to lift heavy things. This is a JCB. JCBs are mostly used at construction sites as well as for demolition. This is a dumper truck. This is a cement mixer machine used at construction sites. For better understanding, let us discuss a worksheet related to vehicles on land. Now, let us start with our worksheet. Now, what we have to do in this worksheet is, we have to circle the vehicles that move on land. Which vehicle is this? This is an aeroplane. And does aeroplane move on land? No. So, we will not circle it. Now which vehicle is this? This is a train. And where does the train move? Train moves on a track. And where are tracks made? Tracks are made on land. So it is a land vehicle. So we will circle it. Now which vehicle is this? This is an auto rickshaw. And where does auto rickshaw move? It moves on land. So we will circle it. Now which vehicle is this? This is a car. And car also moves on land, right? So we will circle it. Which vehicle is this? This is a boat. And does boat move on land? No. So we will not circle it. Now which vehicle is this? This is a tractor. And where does a tractor move? It moves on land. So we will circle it. Now which vehicle is this? This is a bike. And bike also moves on land. So what we will do? We will circle it. I hope you all are clear about the concept of vehicles on land. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.